Hi, my name is Ross Cairns with Blue Avionics, and today we're going to talk about a few of our new products where we're taking adaptable avionics and moving them on. So Blue Avionics centers our core products, our line in adaptable avionics. And what does that mean? That means that we can do a lot of different functions with our products. And these are just some of the certified products or functions that we all have today. Just to cover a couple of them: ADS-B, airspeed Mach warning computer. It's the same box doing the same functions, or doing different functions with configurations. Data concentration, FMN scaling, pseudo-ILS for LPV. We also use that for TOS Mode 5. True North calculations, TCAS, traffic resolution advisories. And new one we're doing now is WOW chatter reduction. Some of the new functions that we're doing today, and since it's been a couple of years, there's quite a few, but we'll just cover a couple of them. We're doing timed exceedance monitoring. That means that we can take an issue that happens on the aircraft and then create a level of enunciation. For example, we could decide it's a caution based on the logic, or a warning, or a latching warning if it's something that's really important that maintenance needs to occur. We performed an ILS offset training system on a citation with Duncan. It allows the instructor to put on a deviation for the student pilot, and then they can fly that as part of their training. We are also doing ARINC 575 to 429 conversion from the old air data systems, and that's certified with CNL Aviation on a Saab 340, and also it's on an MD-88. Here's some of the functions we're doing on the MD. This one, we're integrating the Honeywell FGCS system, ADC system, and the UNS 890 displays, along with the UNS 1FW FMS, onto this aircraft. We are now going to also increase that to add additional functions from the flight guidance system of that aircraft to fully integrate it onto the displays. So the enunciations will look like they were straight from the factory from Boeing originally, so that when you turn the knobs on the FGC, it'll show up on the 890s. We're doing conditional max mins. Once again, we had the WOW chatter reduction on here. This happened to be a fighter. We're also putting in a minimum speed indication. There was a problem where that aircraft would have a number of different enunciations that would show up during takeoff. And then we're doing the Primus integration on a ATR using our BA110 system. This is the number of interfaces that we can do with the BA110, and we have only used 2 of those buses at this point in time, so we can connect to any other Collins interfaces there. We do have a training session today, guys. This is the one you should probably go to, because we're going to have actual equipment there. We'd really like to have you guys come there, and we'll do some demonstrations of configuration, how to load a configuration, how to do a number of different things with the boxes. This one does have the equipment there, so we'd recommend you come. Thanks, and we'll see you out there on the floor.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 64th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Dallas, Texas, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
Pilot Communications USA is proud to introduce our latest headsets, the Carbon A1 Active Noise Reduction and the Carbon P1 Passive Headset. Carbon fiber makes our headsets 30% lighter than others, which significantly reduces pilot fatigue. Our BlueLink hand control unit allows you to connect 2 devices at the same time, and the record out capability can send audio to an onboard camera or digital recorder. Get the headset that's so light you may forget you're wearing one at pilot-usa.com.